What's the meaning of biomass? Biomass. Biomass.
Biomass. Biomass. Biomass refers to the organic material derived from living or recently living organisms, such as plants, animals, and their byproducts. This includes wood products, agricultural crops and waste, municipal solid waste, and other organic materials. Biomass is often used as a source of energy and fuel because it can be burned to generate heat and electricity. Biomass energy is considered to be a form of renewable energy because it is replenished naturally through biological processes. In addition to its potential as a sustainable energy source, biomass has many other applications, such as in the production of biodegradable plastics, fertilizers, and other chemical products.